Hello everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I want to show you how you can easily add photo to a contact on iPhone 16e. So first, what you guys need to do is open the phone app and now select a contact that you want to add a photo on. Now here, click on Contact Photo and Poster. And here you can choose your poster by taking a picture or choosing one from your gallery. Now here you can also use a monogram and memoji, but I'll stick to photos and I'll select the photo that I want as a contact. Now here we click done after we're done setting it up and we click continue. Here we have a contact photo and here we can crop it, do whatever we want. Now click choose. Here we can also change the styles, click done and here click on continue. And now click done. As you guys can see, everything is ready. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.